Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I had to do this video. I am out and about. As you guys know, I am a notary here in the state of Georgia, a notary coach, mentor, educator, all of the above, right? So today the notary needs a notary. I'm going to do another video on the whole situation with me needing a notary, but this is my third location. It says that there's a notary on staff, but this store is closed. I've been told to come here. I started out at my bank. They wouldn't do it. Went to another office supply place. They wouldn't do it. They sent me over here. Don't let nobody tell you the notary business is dead, okay? I got these papers right here, and they're court documents. So it's one document, actually. It's not my court case. And I can't find a notary. So don't let nobody tell you the notary business is dead, because it's not. Okay, I've been in 3 places, 100 degrees, and I can't find a notary. Okay, so this is really short, but I just want you to know when people call you and say, oh, I couldn't find a notary, they're not exaggerating. I've been to 3 places, and it's, like I said, over 100 degrees, and I can't find nobody to notarize my documents. Okay, so now I'm going to reach back out to the person who needs this notarization done and have them pay for a notary. Short version is I have been called to fill out a form stating that I was the notary on a will where the person has now died, unfortunately. So that happened 3 years ago. I'm gonna do a whole video on this, but right now I'm just talking about the fact I cannot find a notary to notarize my documents. Okay, the notary needs a notary, so I'm not gonna ask my husband, who is a notary, to do it because we share the same name and this is such a serious document. I cannot ask Angela, who's also one of the trainers with us, to notarize the document because she was one of the witnesses to the document. So that means now I have to pay somebody to fill out this document. So I'm getting ready to reach out to the person, as I just stated, and say, hey, unfortunately, I cannot find anyone to notarize it for free. I've been to 3 places, so I need you to send me $50 to pay for a notary, and that's what they cost. So if they don't want to pay it, it will not be notarized because I'm not paying it. I already, I got paid for the job when I did it as a witness, but I'm not getting ready to pay for them to put the document in probate. Then I would be going in the hole. So I'm not doing that. So I'll let y'all know what happened when I do the actual video. If they decide to pay it or not, I don't know what they're going to do. I don't. Okay. I'll be in touch, y'all. Bye. So don't let nobody tell you the notary business is dead. Again, I repeat, it's very much alive. And I'm proof, because I need a notary right now. Okay, have a good one. Bye.